Hello, so I thought I wanted to give a little update on my little project here to learn how to build robots. So I've made a lot of progress on this one. So you can see my joystick here. I can now go up and it goes up, and I can go down and it goes down. I can also go left, right, and then you can combine all that, of course, so that I can make it look kind of cool. Like, hello little robot, and and then I'm a friend, you want a treat? And it, raises its ear, and, all that kind of stuff. But I'm coming there. I need to figure out how to make the movements bigger. I know I need bigger cones right on these little servos here. They aren't they're pretty short. So this servo over here is wired up to this particular button on the remote, or on the PlayStation 4 controller that I'm using. And it's all analog. I can control what it's for. I'm thinking that this will eventually be used for mouth movements, so I can make a mouth on something new. It's analog. It's a little touchy. I got to figure out why it's so touchy. It could just be this cheap controller that I'm using. And then this servo over here, which is not currently hooked up to anything, that's tomorrow's project. Goes back and forth and will be used to rotate the robot along this axis, giving me all three axes. So I've got up, down, left, right, and then, or I've got up and down, and I've got head tilt, and then that'll be round and round, or that'll be left and right, and then eventually we'll turn this into having having some kind of mouth or something. I'm not really sure. I've still got a lot of figuring out to do, but I'm very proud of myself for figuring out the math on this. I had to do a whole lot of planning and graphing and made a big document to myself on how to make the math work right. And it works pretty good. So, here I am. I've got it. And of course I can do everything all at once. The software can certainly know that. You see it flying by in the background. Okay, that's it. Just wanted to share.